Are you struggling with hair loss and looking for a natural solution? Or perhaps you're simply interested in boosting your hair's health and longevity? Whatever your hair goals may be, the answer might just be in a DIY hair growth oil you can whip up in your own kitchen. Today, we're taking a foray into the world of natural hair care with a recipe that harnesses the power of cumin seeds, cloves, fennel seeds, and rosemary seeds. These ingredients are not just readily available, but are also packed with nutrients known to promote hair growth. Begin by grinding 2 tablespoons each of cumin seeds, cloves, fennel seeds, and rosemary seeds. Use a mortar and pestle or grinder to turn these ingredients into a coarse powder. Next, warm up a cup of carrier oil in a saucepan over low heat. Feel free to choose a carrier oil that suits your preference, be it coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. Once the oil is heated, it's time to add the ground seed mixture. Stir well to combine. Allow this mixture to simmer on the low heat for around 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps the nutrients from the seeds infuse into the oil. Once done, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool down completely. Now comes the straining process. Use a cheesecloth or a fine strainer to remove any solid particles from the oil. After straining, transfer the clean oil into a glass jar with a tight lid, and voila! Your DIY hair growth oil is ready to work its magic. When it comes to application, massage a small amount of the oil onto your scalp and hair, focusing especially on the roots. For best results, leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours or even overnight if you can. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Remember, before applying any new product to your scalp or hair, it's always wise to do a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. To sum up, this DIY hair growth oil is a cost-effective natural solution to hair loss. It's packed with nutrients from cumin seeds, cloves, fennel seeds, and rosemary seeds, all of which are known to promote hair growth. Not only does this oil help prevent hair loss, but it also leaves your hair feeling soft, shiny, and healthy. Plus, it's something you can easily make at home, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself?